National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang has issued a charge to police officers to maintain the gains in the fight against crime. His call comes even as he defended the police and their credibility to serve Jamaicans. Details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
Human rights groups continue to question the credibility of the police force, particularly as they continue without body-worn cameras on their operations that are responsible for the majority of the 76 fatal shootings recorded by security forces so far this year. But National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says the force's credibility can stand up to scrutiny.
The Jamaica Consular Force today enjoys a level of credibility, both nationally and regionally, that has not been seen in recent history. Ladies and gentlemen, Radiants, this credibility was not given, it was earned through hard work, professionalism, ethical conduct, and disciplined execution.
Dr. Chang was speaking at the pass-out parade for the JCF's batches 163 and 164. In total, 295 men and women are now new members of the JCF.
You are joining a force that has undergone one of the most significant transformations in its history. Since 2018, we have recruited more than 7,100 individuals into the Jamaica Consular Force. Today, you are stepping into a modern, professional, and increasingly respected law enforcement institution. We have restructured the compensation for police officers, ensuring that those who serve and protect are better rewarded for their sacrifice.
For him, this batch is special. They got the proverbial baptism of fire while training. Their services were required during the country's worst ever hurricane.
Assisted during the general elections and played a major role in the relief and restoration of efforts in St. Elizabeth and St. James following the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Commendations, and I say to you, outstanding experience.
Additionally, these constables joined the force at a time of major decreases in crime. Chief among them, a 30% decrease in murders. These are gains the minister says these men and women must help maintain.
As a country, we have made remarkable strides in strengthening our security architecture. The results are evident, but progress is not permanent. It must be protected, maintained, and advanced. That responsibility now rests in part on your shoulders.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.